it's Verlinda Sweeting here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the six-figure formula. It's created by Shea Korte, and I'm going to take you through the process of getting started, and then I'll show you the back office, and that way it can be explained more what this is all about. So it's a brand new marketing system. It's packed with a lot of valuable information, so I'm going to go ahead and just dig right in. So what you're going to do is below this video, you'll see a page that looks something like this. Let me refresh. Okay, it'll look like this, and to get instant access to it, you'll just fill out your email address there, and then you'll be taken to a page like this. All right, and you'll see a video that you can watch, and you can see at the bottom left there people who are recently joining Six-Figure Formula. And here's a button here. You'll see a timer as the video goes on, and there's Shea Korte photo there. And you can read about him. You can read everything that you need to read on this sales page, but you can see some testimonials as well, some proof, all of that of earnings here on this page. And he'll explain everything that you get when you come along with this system when you join. I'll show you everything that they have on the inside of the back office. So to get started, you can get started for $1 today, and you have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So it's $1 for 3 days, and then after 3 days is $37 per month, and you have 14 days to get your money back if you're not happy. It says, I will refund your money. Okay, scroll down to the bottom here and get access to join. Okay, you'll come here to this page, and once you click that green button, and this is the form that you'll need to fill out. So you'll fill out your first name, your last name, your email address, your primary email address, and then you'll enter some credit card details. Once you enter your credit card information, you'll only have to do that one time, and then you will click this box and you will be starting your 3-day trial for $1. You'll be billed $37 in 3 days and then billed $37 monthly. So it says you can cancel at any time by contacting the owners, and they even give you the contact information so that you can get with them. Any questions, there's the help email address right there. This is everything that you get all in a nutshell from looking at the sales page. This is everything you get with the system, the marketing system. So here it is. You get a summary of the trial, and you're getting started today for $1. Once you do all that, let me explain something here with this. This is not like a member-to-member membership plan. What you're doing is you're paying for your membership, and the owner is paying you through Kickstart, and then your commissions will go to your PayPal. So make sure all of your details are correct. Okay, once they are, you're going to be getting some upsells. Okay, I'm just going to tell you flat out that there's going to be some upsells. There's a $37 upsell. The page explains what they are. There's a $27 upsell. There's another $27 upsell. There's a $17, and then there's a $7 for 3-day trial, and then it's $67 per month. So you can pass on all of that. I skipped all of it because this same information is in the back office if you decide to upgrade. Okay, so let's skip all of that. It's going to say thank you for your purchase. Once you made your purchase, I'm covering up my information here, but as you can see, you know, I just got started with this, and since this morning I was going through, you know, all the information so I can be able to share it with you on this video, and I have my system put together so that I can advertise, and as you can see, I have it set up already. That's why I'm sharing this now and promoting at the same time. Once you click this button you'll be able to access your purchase. They show you how to access that. So this page will come up here saying congratulations, and what you're going to need to do is check your inbox or your spam folder. So just go to your email address that you use to get started with the six-figure formula, and this is the email that you're going to be looking for. This is going to have your login membership, which also has your username, which is your email address, and then they create a password for you so that you want to use that information to log in. So don't delete these 2 emails. This second email is your purchase information, okay? What you purchase, all of that is in your email. So keep these, don't delete them, okay? It says if you can't find any of these emails, then here's the contact. You can contact support right here. All right, so once you're done, you went to your email, they'll give you a link so that you can, access the members area. And from there, you'll be able to use your email address to log in and your password that they give you to log in. So you're just going to click log me in, and let's go inside and see what this is about. Okay, so when you first get started, you're going to see this note here that just reminding you that you're going to be charged in 3 days $37, okay? And every month you're going to be paying $37 every month. And like he said, you can cancel at any time by contacting them. So the first thing you're going to do when you log in is they take you to this main page where you can watch this video. And basically, Shea takes you through this whole, he gives you a tour of this whole back office of what everything is. It will look overwhelming, but the way he has it set up is so that these modules that you have here, like, the basic training, advanced training, he has it set up where he'll open up, modules every 2 weeks. So, you can focus on advertising this marketing system and then learning at a slow pace, okay? Not trying to rush through it and, lose focus of what you have here, because there's a lot of things that you can learn within the system. So you're just going to follow what he tells you in the video. All of this here basically tells you what you're going to be doing. And all you're going to be doing is you're going to be setting up your ID through your Pay Kickstart account. And you're going to set that up. That's free. That way you can get your commissions through PayPal. You're going to set up your autoresponder, whether you have GetResponse or Aweber. And then he's going to show you how to get your links so that you can choose what capture pages you want to use, which sales page you want to use. You can take them and connect them. And once you get it set up, your capture page is set up, you'll get an email showing you which landing page you use, which sales page that you use, that you put together. There's a few back there. He's going to be adding some more pages, but there's enough back there now where you can go through them and, kind of play with them. So then you're going to be copying and pasting. And all that is you're going to be taking the emails that he has already set up and adding them to your autoresponder. So if you have Aweber, you'll just use a code and all the emails will be added there. If you're using GetResponse, he's going to give you a URL that you can add inside of GetResponse. He'll show you how to do everything. So make sure you watch his videos all the way at the end so you don't miss anything, okay? After you're done setting up everything, you're going to start advertising so that you can earn some money with this, okay? He'll show you free ways how to do that, and he'll show you paid traffic. The free way, he'll show you Facebook marketing, and he'll show you some YouTube marketing, okay? Paid traffic is solo ads and all of that. So let me scroll up. Once you get everything going, this is where you need to go. The getting started portion, okay? So start here, you start from number 1, and once you're done with that, you go to number 2, then 3, then 4. You have to complete all these steps before you start advertising, and you also want to make sure you test before you promote too. So once you're done setting everything together, you're ready to advertise. Later, you can go in and go through these modules, or you can go through them anytime you want. But just to get a quick look at what both of these are, you can click here at Training Roadmap, and you'll be able to look at the basic training modules and the advanced modules. So you can click on this. And as I scroll down, there are videos for each of these. There's 26 videos for the basic, 69 videos for the advanced training. Okay, so once you get inside of this, you'll have to come see what all of this is for yourself. There's some things that I heard about, but I never bothered to really dig in and find out more about it. So I'm learning that here. So I'm glad that I was able to see all of that here. But when all you'll do to click on it, just hit the plus button, and you'll be able to look at certain things. Why is affiliate marketing so awesome? There's a video for that. You can open it up. It talks about affiliate marketing. Let's open this one. PPC, okay. Video marketing, this is the YouTube marketing. It also goes into email marketing. There's 3 parts of these videos for YouTube. He shows you how to get that going. Facebook marketing, affiliate marketing on social media. There's videos for all of that. So what you would do, for example, let me just show you these. Advanced training here. All of these are trainings, okay? All right, so there's you click on it and he'll show you the videos. So let me just open one more. You'll have to come in and see what the others are. Okay, so you can just check and take a look at that and you'll see what they are. So for example, let me go to the video training, click view now, and it will take you to whatever it is you want to learn about. So click on it and watch the videos. So getting traffic with video marketing, part 1. You'll watch this video first. Then it has next video. And you see I'll slide down and show you the next video, which is part 2. If you want to go back up to the first video, you can go back up. That's pretty neat. Okay, next video is part 3. You can go to that, watch the video. It's 15 minutes long. Next video will go into email marketing. And next video, you'll also see video resources that he has here for you. You click on them. All right. There's a lot of value in here, guys. So you can kind of see why the price is the way it is. Okay, so once you're done with all these modules, you can click continue to module 5 or module 3. This is where you would go, or you can come and scroll up here if this is all you wanted to learn about. Okay, and then you can always go back to the training roadmap, or you can go through here through the modules and click on something. But I like to come through here because that way I can look at the titles and see what it is that I want to learn. Okay, so once you go there, there's tutorials here. So it doesn't matter what program I'm in. There's always people that have a lot of questions, and it's good that they have questions. There's a lot of people that's how you learn, right? So these are tutorials, and if you don't know how to put together a domain name or how to register for a domain name, he shows you how to do that and how to set it up, how to register it and set it up. Website setup. Oh, then he talks about cloaking your domains, setting up and redirecting your domain as well. Website setup talks about hosting, adding your domain, uploading your site, setting up your WordPress. HTML, he talks about the basics of that. Autoresponders, you just go through all of this. There are a lot of things he has through here. ClickMagick, he talks about tracking. He gives you an overview of that, how to set it up, and adding Google Analytics to it. Then there's outsourcing. Now this is the one that got me, okay, because I noticed that there's a lot of people that do outsourcing, and I've never done it before, so this is something that I just started watching with this video. So if you don't know what outsourcing is, well, here it is here. I was going to tell you, but it's right here. You can get other people to help you. So you can get, some people go to Fiverr and hire people. He gives you some resources on where you can go, and you can see Upwork here, Fiverr. You just click here and it'll take you there, but he'll explain what you can do. And basically, if you needed someone to add 100 emails to your autoresponder series, they're already created, you already have it done, you just don't have the time to add all the emails inside your autoresponder. You can hire someone to do that for you and, pay them. So he tells you how you can do this. And then as you come here, you can find part-time workers, full-time workers, how to post a job, evaluating them, and managing your workers. There's even people who hire others to make posts on their Facebook. They don't have time to do that, so they have them do daily posts on their Facebook accounts or on their walls. So there's different ways, you can outsource. So look at the tutorial and the videos so you can find that out. If you've never learned about it and you've always wanted to know, like myself, you can click on tutorials, go to outsourcing, and just go through these videos. So campaign, there's weekly campaigns here. You can click on that and It goes into different ways that you can make money online, okay? It's not just to make money in the six-figure formula, you know, with this platform, but it's other ways of affiliate marketing, okay? So monthly Q&As, what he'll do is there are members who are asking questions, and any questions that people have, they'll make a video about it and they'll stick it here in the Q&A video section. All right. There is one thing that he mentioned that we should do, and he said that we should log in every week or every second week, because they're adding new videos and things like that. So you want to make sure that you're active and coming in and seeing whatever changes that are made in the system. Here's support if you're looking for support, frequent asked questions. And if you're looking to upgrade, this is it right here. And as I was telling you with the upsells, that's what they were. Here it is again. You see a 3-day, 7-day trial, 3-day, $7 trial, and then $67 per month. So if that's something that you're interested in the mentoring, then you want to watch this video and look at that. If you click on make money, you know, you can see he shows you about the evergreen compensation plan and all of that. This is basically breaks down what you would get with that plan. Okay, so just look at it and you'll see what you earn and the commissions that you earn from that. The professional plan, what you earn from it, and the standard membership right here. Okay, so that is it. Here's the buttons where you want to upgrade. These are leaderboards. So I'm hoping to get on that leaderboard since I just, you know, got started with this. So the next button right here is the Marketer Pro, which I think is the right here, the tracking software. Okay, I think this is free. I don't have an account with that. I use ClickMagic. So then you can come here. I'm going to blur this out, but I'm going to click on account. But you can come and look at your profile. If you want to access to view your commissions, you'll go into your Kickstart account. You'll just click on this and you'll have to log into your Kickstart account. That is free to create. Some of you may already have it, but this is where you'll go do that, and all your commissions will be going there, and then from there it'll be paid straight. You'll be paid straight to your PayPal account. Okay. Leaderboard here, membership plan. This tells you the current plan that you're on, and if you want to upgrade to the evergreen or the mentoring upgrade, then this is where you would come and do all of that. Then you have your billing. It talks about, you know, your order number and all of that. You're going to need your order number so that you can be added into the Facebook group. So you're going to need your email address and you're going to need your order number so that you can get added into the Facebook group, because it's pretty strict. They don't want anyone spamming in the group. They don't want anyone just coming in looking. They want serious people. So if you paid your membership, you can give them your order number in the Facebook group and they'll look you up. And once they confirm everything, they will accept you into the group. So that's it. This is the six-figure formula. My name is Verlinda Sweeting. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you get started. All you're going to do is come here to set everything up 1 through 5. And after that, you'll be ready to advertise, and then you'll come here and look at the free traffic and get yourself on YouTube or on Facebook. Start promoting. If you want to get these results, this is what you need to do. You need to advertise, and that's what you do in order to make money with anything, any program that you're in online. You have to advertise it. If nobody sees the six-figure formula, if nobody sees any other program that you're doing, then you won't make any money from it. And you'll just be sitting there spending money on your membership and not making money. So you do want to take action. So I put the link below in the description so that you can go ahead and get your $1 trial. And then after 3 days, it will be $37. You'll be charged $37. And then after that, every month, you'll be paying $37 unless you decide to cancel. Okay? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and get started. The link is below. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing some more updates as I go, and I will talk to you in the next video.